2. Flying.
I have learnt about climate change, and I've made a decision that I would try and cut down the amount of flying that I would do and get it down to 1 flight a year and try not to fly long distance. It's a big change. Yeah, it's a big change.
When you live in Wales during the winter months, it's very seductive to go somewhere hot. I worry about the use of fuel in aircraft, the pollution of the air, and I've made a pledge, because we have such a beautiful land and there's still plenty of the UK that I haven't seen yet. I'm very happy enjoying some of our other treasures that don't necessarily involve sun and sea and sand.
First holiday really abroad I'd had without flying was a challenge, because it's a long way to drive down to the south of Spain as well. We took our own veg oil to get down there. We had to buy it on the way back. Going to the supermarkets in Spain, and we'd buy 30 litres, 40 litres of veg oil, and people watching us pour it into the tank in the car park. It was brilliant, the response. But when we think about holidays, we either stay local or we plan it in terms of the distance we can reach realistically by car or public transport.
The first place I look is online for tickets for train travel and for bus travel. That's the way I've always enjoyed travelling around Europe, because it's part of the experience, it's part of the holiday really, because you get to see the countryside of whichever country you've chosen to go to.
There's a kind of satisfaction in knowing that we've done it without having to get on a plane.